National Apprenticeship Week means a great deal to us. It's a chance for us to celebrate apprenticeships that take our students from where they are early in their skill development onto a career in industry.
An event like this that we're able to hold here at Sno-Isle, I find to be really great because we can talk to students, we can talk to their parents, we can talk to employers, we can talk to potential employees.
Here at Sno-Isle Tech, we have 24 programs along 5 different pathways. Apprenticeships are so important to what we do and to our students because we're giving students a chance to explore careers, and then the apprenticeship is the next obvious step for them.
When I think about the National Apprenticeship Week that we're celebrating this week here at Sno-Isle, I go back and thinking about, boom, the next generation, the new people, these people coming up, young people looking to grow and learn about this, make a difference in their community. That's what it's about, making that difference, making things happen.
It's an amazing opportunity for somebody to be able to go in and to be able to get a job with a living wage. These are tremendous opportunities, so that's what I want for people to come away from an event like this. There are multiple pathways to success, and apprenticeship is certainly one of those pathways for students to be successful and for anybody in society to be successful.
There is true support that we really want these individuals to get right into a career and let them know it's okay. It's a very successful career you're going to get into. It's not just it's not a fallback. It is a primary career, a primary decision, a primary choice to get into this program. So if I could take anything away from that, at least letting the students know that it's okay to get right into a career.
This event is really significant to us for the simple reason that we get a chance to do our outreach, to reach out, to share what we know, what we have, and then get the interest, to show people that, hey, we do math and science.
Getting into a career right out of high school is great. It's something that I didn't know about in high school. I did what my counselors told me to do, which was go to college, figure it out there. Luckily, after I dropped out of college, because I just couldn't afford it anymore, I was able to find an apprenticeship that took care of me and my family to this point where I am in my life. Still feel like I'm pretty young, and I feel like I'm able to have a lot of things that I know my parents couldn't have when they were older than me. So seeing that these students have the opportunities that I got later in life, and they can have that opportunity at 18 years old, 19 years old, that's just, it makes it all worth it for me.